Now to an area of the entertainment industry where the new curfew hours have once again put a damper on business just when things were beginning to pick up. Krista Campbell looks at cinemas.
Audience was just building back, slowly building. And now we have had to shut down.
Back in the red again because of the new curfew hours of 7 p.m. to 5 a.m. And this time around, local cinemas say there's hardly any working around it to save their bottom line.
We are unable to have even a first show, which usually started at 4:45. We had backed it down to that when we needed to get people out of the cinemas and on the way home by 10 o'clock. So we had backed it down, but usually it was like 5:15, 5:30, those times that people could come after work.
Marketing manager for Palace Amusement Company, which runs all theatres in Jamaica, Melanie Graham, says she's considering early matinees for some theatres which are used to earlier shows. But at Palace Multiplex in Montego Bay, St. James,
Montego Bay was not doing well, even when we were open. And so it is extremely difficult to keep the whole organization alive, going, to be able to service Montego Bay alone.
She noted that unlike other places like the U.S., where the government subsidizes the cinemas and pays their workers, local theatres lack any sort of financial assistance to cushion the blow to that industry. So, once again, theatre workers have been laid off. Meanwhile, a 7 o'clock curfew makes other options, such as reviving drive-through theatres in Jamaica, even more unlikely.
7 o'clock would be the earliest time we could start a show, so that will be totally out at this time. But it is certainly still an active thought.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.